Hey everybody, welcome back to Shay Days. Today I'm going to fix your problems. Alright, well at least that pertain to meal preps, which is being sick and tired of eating the same thing for 4 to 5 days straight. Okay, so we're gonna switch it up a bit on this series. We've got Chipotle bowls. We've got steak and chicken. The best marinade, you will love it. Next, we have our viral snack, which I'm honestly have tried these. I want to eat the rest of them. And then they go with grapes. And then for breakfast, we have hash browns with turkey and eggs. This is so good, so delicious. So stay tuned. Let me show you guys the recipes and let's get cooking. Alright, so we're going to start by marinating our meat for our Chipotle bowls. So I have a tri-tip steak and then I also have some chicken thighs. I'm just going to slice them up just so they're thinner so we can get more marinade all over that chicken, and it just kind of adds a bit more depth of flavor for each bite. So I also have a tri-tip sirloin that's just a big old hunk of meat. I find it more affordable to get things like this. You can use different cuts of steak if you want. Flank steak will work just fine, but this one ended up tasting really good with the marinade. I just put the other half into the freezer, or you could use it for another recipe, or if you want to make even more steak bowls, just go ahead and cut up all of those. Then we're going to move on to our marinade. So I have half of an onion, then I have about 4 cloves of garlic, and then for heat, I put this pepper in there. It made it very spicy, actually. And then I also had a whole can of Chipotle peppers. You probably could have gotten away with half of the can if you wanted to use the other half later. Then I put about half a cup of water. And for the dry seasonings in the marinade, I used paprika, cumin, Italian seasoning, black pepper, and garlic salt. Then you just put those all over and let them marry together, and then we'll put these in the fridge to marinate overnight till you are ready to put them on the grill. We could also air fry these or bake these, but I think putting these on the grill for Chipotle bowls, like this Chipotle marinade, just takes it to a whole new level. On to breakfast. We are going to take a pack of ground turkey. I had already eaten a little bit of it, but I'd recommend using the whole pack. And then I'm just going to put some adobo seasoning, some black pepper on there, and of course Italian seasoning, and just chop those up and cook those all the way through. And then we're going to add in our eggs, mind the shells. I added 3 eggs due to the amount of meat I had, but if you have more meat, like that whole pack, go ahead and add 4 eggs because this wasn't quite enough. And then we're going to add our favorite egg seasoning and then just mix those up till they are done cooking. In that same pan, we are going to cook our hash browns. So add a good amount of vegetable oil, let that get hot, and then add in your hash browns to the bottom there. And then just top with a bit of black pepper. And our meat had a great time with its marinade overnight last night. So my hubby's going to take them to the grill to get all cooked through. Do any of my women out there draw the line at grilling? Like, I feel like I do everything else in the kitchen that I'm just like, nah, if we're having grilled food, you got to do it. Is that just me? And then my baby snuck his little hands in the egg and turkey mixture and had a try. But he loved it. Look at him. Yeah. Just a little future actor right there. I swear he was pretending like he was trying the food and enjoying it for the video. I can't. Alright, but anyways, you just cook your hash browns till they're nice and toasty and go check on the grill. All right, now on to our pico de gallo. You're going to take 2 juicy tomatoes and chop them up. I like to use this thing if I'm making a lot, but it can be a little difficult. I don't know if anybody else has bought one of these things. I like it, but I wouldn't 100% recommend it to somebody if you don't want to spend money. But then you're also going to add in 1 whole onion. And if you're up for some heat, go ahead and add a pepper. If you don't want it too spicy, of course, just take out those seeds, but I do like some heat. So I added that in there along with some cilantro. Do y'all like cilantro? Apparently to some people, cilantro tastes off, but I love cilantro. So I went ahead and put a bunch in there, and then we're going to add in our lime juice and some salt and pepper. Then just mix that up to let those flavors marinate to the side for a little bit, and then you can try it and see if it needs any more lemon juice or salt or pepper. And I was honestly really tired of cooking at this point. I know I didn't even make that much, but some days you're just not feeling it 100%. And so I just kept it real simple, real fresh with some grapes. And then we're going to make this like viral cream cheese and everything bagel seasoning on some vegetables. So I had some red bell peppers and celery. What I would recommend after trying this in my meal prep is go ahead and add the cream cheese just as you'd like, but I wouldn't put the everything bagel seasoning till you're ready to eat it. The seeds just kind of got a little soggy and they didn't keep their freshness like they did whenever I ate it here, and it tasted amazing. There we go. It's good, right? Yeah. It's a nice, like, refreshing snack, huh? Mm-hmm. Yeah. Thank you. Alright, so once your meat is done cooking, you will go ahead and chop it up into just bite-sized pieces and set them aside so we can start assembling. Alrighty guys, so there you have it, our delicious meal prep pretty much ready to go. I also have some rice here that we've cooked. We've got our protein, our breakfast, our pico de gallo, and our snack right here. And so let's get dishing it out. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you liked it, go ahead and hit that like button. If you want more meal prep videos like this, go ahead and consider subscribing to my channel. I try to do these like once a week, once every other week. I also like cooking recipes from all around the world. So comment down below if you have a culture that you would like a meal prep. Stay beautiful. Bye.